Hello everyone, welcome to the Hypergamous Journey. My name is Denise. At this channel, we talk about dating advice for women 55 and older who would like to date and or marry someone, a man, of a higher social and economic level. I am in Miami. I used to live here in Florida of the United States, northern Florida, close to the Georgia state line. And I never made it down to Miami. So in the background, you see my studio condo on the 10th floor. And that is my ocean view. Now, isn't that something? So this is my condo, and that's my view. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to, oops. I'm sorry, y'all. So let's see, how does this work? I can't seem to turn you around. So I'm gonna have, as I walk over to the window, I will show you my view. So this is the view from my window. Isn't that amazing? When you just think of God and the universe, isn't that just beautiful? I didn't know how much I was missing water until today. And I am a Pisces. So water, water, water. I am a water sign. And I think I'm pretty true to what Pisces are. So I just wanted to let you know where I am and what I'm doing. That's Miami Beach. That's where I am, and I will be here for a few days for rest and relaxation, and definitely needed. Okay, look for more videos from Miami Beach, Florida in the United States. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and check out the statement journals on Amazon. I will see you later. Bye.